everyone, welcome back in our YouTube channel, and this is our day 32. I hope you are doing well, and this is also your day 32 if we are meeting in this episode. So guys, how are you doing your practice in front of the camera or in front of the mirror? This is depend on you. That's why I'm asking. It is better that you are practicing in front of the camera and you are also uploading your practicing session on YouTube in your channel, because it helps more pupils to do practice with practice sessions, because our educational system looks very perfect. So everybody thinks that if he or she is starting from the basics, it may cause their image in front of everyone, but this is not true, because everybody has to fresh new when they learn new skill, and everybody has a same phase where in their early days when they learn new things. And obviously English is not our native language. That's why we are making so much efforts to learn this second language. And this is not a shameful thing, because the foreigners who can easily speak English, if we ask them to speak Hindi, our native language, Hindi, then they who are fluent in speaking English, they also could not speak Hindi, because Hindi is not their native language. So that's why everybody can speak easily their native language. Native means, your daily language, where you belong, and that language is used around you to express their feelings and emotions. And the native language is easy to use, but second language everybody has to learn, because this is not in our daily practice. That's why we have to do hard work to learn second language. So everybody don't take stress, because learning English is a skill, and skill is learnable. So this is our day 32 to be a native English speaker and a public speaker. And when we complete our 100 days, we will be fluent in daily speaking and in public speaking. But I am just thinking a new challenge, a 400-day challenge with this language challenge, 100 days challenge, because within 400 days we could achieve something big. So we will discuss this challenge in our next episode day 33, and this is the last lesson of today, that everybody is not perfect, but he or she can be perfect with the little start. So just start, no matter how much you are imperfect, but with daily practice you will be perfect. So don't worry, just take a small step and start practicing daily. And the one more thing, that quitter never wins and winner never quit. So guys, never give up and do daily practice to be a native English speaker and be a public speaker, because this is the only hope that you and me have to make ourselves millionaires. So guys, thank you for having me, and I am also thankful to have you. And thank you for the God for such a beautiful day and such a beautiful rainy day, because yesterday and day before yesterday was a very hot day, and because of the rain today is less hot, and it is just yummy day, and you can say very beautiful day. So guys, bye bye, let's meet again in next episode. Thank you so much. Till then, do not forget, practice.